Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open Just Eat Wider account UK. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So first thing that you need to know is that you should be 18 years old, you should own a bike or a bicycle, and then you should have your life bike insurance as well, and then you should have a valid driving license, and then you should have a valid bank account as well. And once you have done with all this, what you need to do is just simply head over to their website and then sign up or create an account, or just simply download the app Just Eat and then simply create a rider account by filling up the information like your first name, your last name, email, mobile phone number, city, town, and then create an account. And once you have created an account, here you'll be asked for your identification for your document as well. Now it will ask you to take a photo of your driving license, and then all you gotta do is just follow the process, and then the next option is to enter in your bank details. Now once you have fill up all your bank details, all you gotta do is just simply download the app if you haven't downloaded, and if you have already downloaded the app, all you gotta do is just start taking deliveries, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.